Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Now try lahat ya kapanin ba ikaw. Pagsinya ang niya badon ko wala ay ju don kam ko joni. Dito ni lang ko juwa.
Body, we express our sincere thanks and gratitude to all the SSA teachers who present on the general meeting which was held on 2nd October 2024 at the same place. And it's because of that meeting, as highlighted by our General Secretary, there are some positive outcomes from the government. As highlighted by the General Secretary, on 3rd October, we have submitted that resolution to the government. And on 16th October, the Education Minister have invited us for a talk. After that, we have got a chance to meet the Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, on 28th October 2024. And on that meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister have assured us that he will call a meeting for further discussion regarding the grievances of the SSA teachers. At that meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister also informed the association that the government is committed and is very positive as far as SSA teachers issue is concerned. And on that meeting, we, the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, have requested the Honorable Chief Minister to also invite our SSA teachers friends, those who are in other association, to be there in that meeting, which he informed us that he will call for further discussion. And the Honorable Chief Minister also informed us that he will also include the 4th Teachers Association to be present on that meeting. Pada sukumen man ito ipi, bahadin kajing kendo jongi padu Chief Minister on 18 November 2024, first meeting with the Education Department, chaired by the Commissioner and Secretary of the Education Department, Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri, which all the 3 associations are present on that meeting. That is the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, and the 4th Teachers Association. All the 3 associations present on that first meeting, which was held on 18 November 2024. And on that meeting, we from the Meghalaya SSA School Association have submitted 8 points to the government to include in the policy for job security of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. Hashwabangan batay in detail sa kawaide berkiniki pradliki points. I would like to clarify regarding the rumors in these few days that there are kabawan nagikato kani kisos kibaong ba kaladon kata kajing persuto bakla ikinonghikai SSA bahana kamdon kanu kata kajing to ba kanika scheme SSA, kanika financial support namata ka scheme SSA Cancun 31st March 2026. Education Government of India kalapa sha paro ki states and union territories in the entire country, which inform that the financial or that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is with effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. This letter was sent on 6 August 2021 to all the education secretary of all the states and union territories in our country, and it was signed by Kamal Gandhi, the Under Secretary to the government of India. The second letter was sent on 16 August 2021, and this letter was also sent to all the secretaries of the states and union territories in India, informing them that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is with effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. And this letter was signed by Manish Garg, who is the Joint Secretary to the Government of India. Why we have to clarify regarding these two letters? Because we want you, all the SSA teachers, to know that what we are talking about, we are talking with facts and documentation. Eh kabang ikren harangkat bat kijing shisha, harangkat bat kikot kisla, ban saki, ya ka kaba ni ikren. Ngim don hangni, ngim don por hero ban pen thame ya phi kinoi ka SSA. Numak ingin yo ada kabangin pen thame ya phi ong. Ingin yo. Kada ka kabangin ya to, shipi kinoi ka SSA. Kada ka jing shisha. Knang ba ngin soto. Ya ka SSA teachers into 4 groups. Ki haban bu ya kinoi ka SSA hati south li ki group dan ki categories. Number 1, SSA teachers who have been qualified in the MTET 2019-21 and in 2019, 2021 and 2023. Number 2, SSA teachers were appointed on or after 3rd September 2001 but prior to 23rd August 2010. Third, SSA teachers who joined after NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010, who as on date required only the academic and professional qualification, DLED or B.Ed, but have not cleared MTET. And number 4, SSA teachers who was appointed after NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010, who as on date have not acquired the professional qualification, DLED, and neither have cleared MTET. Pinaban politically balay pibo hadi kisaw bentang. Rangin mo sa bentang anong ipikalong kabak ano kata-kata that the government will solve all our problems. Natakang ihapan po hadi kisaw bentang. Kabenta kabanong kong katong kabatilarilang AKH gitu kiba kabenta kabanong kong kilayolat ban apply sa government post. Okay, if they pass the interview, they will can A na SSA but can join sa government. If they didn't clear the interview, they will come back to SSA. They will be with us only. Clear? Kino net siya yung pang relax siya kay age, ito kinet siya lalaki yo. Lalaki pass ki interview, can join government. Lalaki pass, can don back me. Kabaan! Ito nonghikai SSA for those SSA teachers who have joined prior to 23rd August 2010. Kiba join ha na ni shwa jo ka polite trick jo ubrai August hajar shipeu. Those who have acquired the academic qualification and the professional qualification, but those who have not cleared the MTET. Clear? Kisa siya shpit baling ibu ya kanika penta. Kabalay. For those SSA teachers who have joined after 23rd August 2010, but those who have not acquired the academic qualification and also the professional qualification, and also those who have not passed the MTET. Clear? Tatakan ka point number 2. Point number 3, kapag isubmit siya ka sarkar that the government should exempt us from TET exam for those SSA teachers who appointed prior, who appointed before or prior to NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010 and 29 July 2011. But perlai iya kinoy ka SSA, kibala doon pa hakakam na ka MTET, ikito kiba join Halanishwa ka April trik jong brai August arajar shipeu, but halanishwa ka April trik brai July arajar khatway.